butterfly. Once there was a time the little tortoise named Tony. Tony was always in a hurry and never took the time to enjoy the world around him. One day he saw a butterfly fluttering graceful from flower to flower. Tony wished he could be as fast and beautiful as the butterfly. The butterfly smiled and said, "Slow down, Tony. Life is not just about being fast. Take the time to appreciate the beauty around you." Tony realized that he had been missing out on the smile joy of life. Tony learned to slow down, smile the flower and cherish every moment. Moral: take the time to appreciate life, little wonders.